Abuja. The time is a few minutes past 1:30, and of course the program is the Health Monitor, a program where we look into our health issues, a program where we x-ray health problems, our challenges, and of course without preparing solutions we've done little or nothing about it. So we also do prepare solutions to all of the health matters concerning us and our family members. And today we are going to be looking at the body maintenance services. Okay, that is taking care of your body. Like I always liken the body to an automobile. And of course, if you have an automobile like a regular car, you need to service, you need to oil, you need to lubricate, else that car would pack up. Same thing with your body system. If you do not take care of your body, of course, time, wear and tear, and all of those things, you have the depreciation and all of that will happen to your body, and you won't enjoy the comfort of your body. But today, I'm being joined by a physiotherapist this afternoon, and he's going to be throwing more light on the body servicing therapy. What is it all about? But let's introduce him first of all. I have with me this afternoon in the studio Mr. Felix Olubumi Babawemimo. You're welcome to our studio.
Thank you so much. It's nice being here.
All right. Okay, so how is it?
Thank God, no. God is helping us.
You get full?
Plenty of it.
Plenty good. That's nice.
Good to go.
Good to go. That's nice. Okay, so likewise, even on our body system, we also need our fuel. We need our energy. We need what to make us go around the place successfully. So today, I have this curiosity around me. I want to find out what is this development about health. I mean, body maintenance therapy or servicing therapy.
Body servicing therapy.
Yes, what is it all about? Can we have, like in the layman's palace, in the way every man out there would understand, can we know what it is about?
Thank you so much. As a qualified physiotherapist from University of Ibadan, that is UI, I've had many years of experience in the field. And in fact, I'm here today with a great burden in my heart, sincerely.
Okay.
Because of my years of experience, what I've seen people going through.
Okay.
So pathetic, so painful. Many are going through pains and yet no solution. Many have been swallowing drugs upon drugs and yet no solution. Many are going through fatigues, pain in their body and yet no solution. Many have taken different kind of other approaches, but not yet no solution. Many haven't gone through surgeries, and injections and yet no solution, and by the virtue of what I've seen over the years, we've come to develop a new concept that is helping a lot of people today that we call body servicing therapy. Just like you service your car, your body too is a living car carrying you all around. You don't wait for your car to break down to do the right thing. You service regularly. Likewise, your body needs that servicing. That is the kind of awareness we are bringing to the people today, that you don't need to wait for your body to break down. Don't wait until when you're having all the pains, fatigue, neck pain, back pain, joint pain, arthritis, before you do the necessary thing. Wisdom will teach you that you need to be proactive in life so that your head can be safeguarded, by doing the right thing. And that is why we came about this particular concept of body servicing therapy, because your body, even it does a lot of work more than what they can does for you. You can pack your car for 3, 4, 5 days without using it, but you can't pack your body. Even if you're not going out, yes, if you're not even going out, even within the house, you use your body more. I say for the women they use their body a lot, domestically. They want to function at home and in the office, take care of the children, take care of the husband, and many other activities around them. And with that, it brings them the body comes down with a lot of pains and fatigue here and there. And that is why such is needed even before it comes up, to make sure that your body is in that good shape. That is why we came up with this idea of the body servicing therapy. Thank you so much.
So that is the genesis of the body servicing therapy, which is applicable to everyone, because we all need to keep our body at an optimal level. Okay, so now what is the difference between body servicing therapy and the regular massage?
Okay, well, massage as it is help more in the relative
Situation
effect.
or
Yes,
condition, yeah.
you know, it become more relaxed. But when you talk of body servicing therapy, it's more therapeutic. It helps the body, to heal well, to adjust, and you see many people that have gone through it, and they come back and say, doctor, do you know, after going through this, my body feels so light, as if every burden is taken out of my body. They even tell me at times that, doctor, I feel more energetic. Some people say, I feel younger in my spirit, in my body, in my soul, which is something that gives me a great joy, when I hear such testimony. So countless of people, I've given such testimony. Even some people, after going through it, they come and the following day say, doctor, for the very first time, I slept like a baby. I said, that is awesome, awesome, awesome. And this sort of people, they pay dearly. They even use, drugs, to want to take care of, and all those drugs, it's as good as the drugs are, which is very, very nice. But most of the drugs also have their own side effects. But this one is more of natural. It's natural, procedure. It's a body service is a form of specialized treatment given to the body to enhance its ability to serve you better and longer. It's a unique package crafted for proper rejuvenation of your body from pain, tension, stiffness, cramps, excessive stress. And people are going through excessive stress today. In fact, we are in a period of stress today. Even what is happening economically is putting stress on people. How to pay bills here, pay bills there. Increase of food. I just had of that the food just increase again. That alone can make a lot of people to be depressed. And bring a lot of some other negative chemical reactions within their body. But going through this body service therapy helps a lot. To rejuvenate the system, to make the body feel better. Those are having insomnia. After going through this, it helps them to sleep better. And it's a natural procedure. Without adding too much of chemical to their system. I used to tell my client that there's some pains or fatigue that you cannot just sleep away. No matter how you sleep, you see, wake up and yes, I know of a woman. I came to my clinic one day. I said, doctor, do you know that anytime I wake up in the morning to stand up from my bed is always difficult? So always difficult. So many times, my children have to gather around my bed, to do morning devotion. Yes, to do morning devotion early in the morning. She can't go to the sitting room. So it's an accident task for her. But the very first day she did it, the following day they just saw Mama in the sitting room waiting for them. So, what happened? What happened? Say, I just met a man yesterday at work on my body now, and today I woke up feeling energetic. More than usual. So those things, those kind of testimonies, give me joy. Those kind of comments give me joy. And many people say, when are you going to come on radio to even let the public know what is happening here? A lot of people need to know this, because a lot of people are going through pains, fatigue, and they've been trying different kind of methods. It's not helping them out. So in fact, you have been inviting me for a while now that I need to come on radio. I say, don't worry, very soon I will soon be there.
And
at the right
now
time
we have started.
Yes,
Back.
Yes, so
Okay, welcome,
so
doctor.
I believe a lot of people are going to gain from this tremendously, because people are going through a lot of pains, fatigue, stress, stiffness. And do you know, as you grow older, your body will become stiffer. If the next things are not done. That is why this is very, very crucial, to keep your body flexible, and you age gracefully, and you feel better, stronger, healthier. You will perform your day-to-day activities, and even it enhances your optimal performance at work. Many people they go to work on Monday morning, they are looking so fatigued, because of what they have gone through. It's too much, and they just get to work and their productivity level is what is dwindling. And that is why even what employers of labor need to look at this direction, of creating such avenue to let their workers service their body, make their body at that optimal performance. By so doing, they will not just do the work, but they will go the extra mile to deliver. And that will gladden the heart of the boss.
Okay.
Thank you.
Today we're talking about body servicing therapy, as I've been told to us by Dr. Felix. Okay, he has told us that for you to function optimally, there's need for your body to take in that necessary stressless exercise and stressless therapy, which makes you to function better than you were yesterday. Because it's so sad this happening when you come to work on a Monday morning and you find people putting their heads on the table,
sleeping or fatigued,
hangover, and all of those things, which is not good for the work. Okay, so today we are going to be opening our telephone telephone line soon when people can call in and let's talk about this. Some of you are going down this line. You know the story. You know it
Yes.
already. It's what
Some
it's
I mean
what is
neck pain,
happening
back
to you.
pain,
Back
joints pain, you know. In fact, a lot
everywhere.
of low back pain.
Pain.
Some are
Yeah.
even recommended for for surgery. When they come to me saying, doctor, I don't want to go for surgery. Anything you can do, I say, let's trust God. Let's pray to God and
Yes.
start, And to
Okay.
the glory of God, many a times, after going through it, such surgery procedure is overruled, and they want to come out better, stronger, and healthier,
Okay. So this procedure now, I don't know. Can you run down the process and who like? Am I too old to be part of it? Am I too young to be part of it? Who qualifies for this procedure? Because I want to also point out the fact that it's not just the elderly people who
Of
get
course,
tired.
of
The
course.
younger ones too pass through a lot of
Mm-hmm.
stress. So who is qualified for all of this procedure?
Thank you for that question. Everyone, needs it. So, like I said earlier on, that this body servicing therapy is both, preventive and curative.
Okay.
And it's not just like you service your car; you don't wait for it to break down. So, even if you are still feeling healthier now and stronger now, don't wait until when you break down. Do the necessary thing to keep that health, in place for you. That is wisdom. And if you're already suffering some pain, some aches, don't let it degenerate further than that. Come around, let your body be given the right, servicing to help the body to come back to right shape, so that we're able to deliver. So this is what meant for both female and male, children and adults, young or old, boss or workers, all are involved, and after going through it, you will be happier that yes, it's actually worth it.
Okay, so this process takes for how long? How many months or how many days do one needs to fall into shape after getting to this
Yeah.
procedures?
Yes, when you come in, we follow up because you don't just subject just unlike massage, like somebody just come and you just put the person on the table and you
Okay.
start work. No, we don't do that because
Okay.
we are medical experts, So we still follow some medical ethics, medical rules, and examine your first, get your medical history first, you know your present state of health and fitness,
Okay.
If there's need for to check X-ray, to check MRI or some other scan, we do that, so that we can know where we're starting from. Yes. So after the assessment, full assessment on you, then from there we can now proceed and tell you, okay, this number of days is going to take you, for us to get the effect we actually desire to get, and I say, well, then this is the procedure you're going to follow. So some, it might be just 3 days, 5 days, some 6 days, some 7 days. And after that, that's we call it intensive approach. After that, we also encourage you that don't just stop there, and it's maybe once in a week. After the intensive approach, once in a week or once in 2 weeks, come around, and make sure that what you maintain what you have gotten to sustain it. That is wisdom.
Is there a similarity with exercise? Is there kind of similarity with our regular exercise?
Yes, and one of my clients have once told me that I'm exercising. Do I need body service therapy again? I say yes, exercise is different. No, I'm from body service therapy. Yes, exercise is good. We are called movement specialists. The physiotherapists are called movement specialists. Yes, it's our field. And we know what it entails, and we know the benefits. But more than that, you also need what this body service therapy. Because at times even the exercise puts place on good stress on the body. So you need to balance it up so that your body is is enabled, wired, to even go through that exercise and do it actively. For instance, if you are stiff all over, can you do exercise? No, very well. You'll be feeling aches. In fact, you can even go into cramps. But when your body is well serviced, such is what is curtailed. It helps you, not to go down, with injury, or sustain, some damages, in the process of doing good to your body through the exercise you want to engage in. So when you service your body, it helps your body to help you in carrying out day-to-day activities, and other strenuous activities that might come your way.
Okay, so the exercises are good.
Good, very good, very
Also
good.
good for us. So now let's open the telephone lines. The number for you to call to be part of today's program, that's the studio line first of all, before doctor will tell you the line to call afterwards. The number for you to call to ask your questions this afternoon is 0909 435 0415. 0909-435-0415. Remember, the program is still Health Monitor, and we are having a conversation with physiotherapist Felix Olubumi Babawemimo of Effective Physiotherapy and Fitness Center, number 2, Ajimogobia Close, that is in Kado Estate. So you can do well by calling in to ask your questions, or you can also send your text messages, which will be read now. Okay, so doctor, you said the therapy is good for man. They discriminate, right?
At all.
It doesn't discriminate. So
In fact,
men
that's one of
and
the things
women
we
are
that's
good to
an
go.
oath is swore to know that is either male or female.
Okay.
Not
Even the children.
even the children, or either Muslim or Christian,
Everybody
everybody,
is
yes,
okay,
these are
involved
touch.
in that.
Yes.
Okay. So now I said the number again to call is 0909 435 0909 435 That is the number for you to call to be part of this day's conversation. And we are talking about the body servicing therapy.
Yes.
A therapy that is, I know it's not harmful.
At
I know.
all.
Okay,
No,
now let
no
me
side
ask.
effect like taking
Like
drugs.
in
That has
taking
no
drugs.
side
So I
effects.
want to talk about the drugs now. Is it about taking drugs? What about people who who find relaxation in the use of drugs? Is it good for the body system in the long run?
Unless your doctor actually prescribe for you, for such drugs to you,
Okay.
based on their findings,
Okay.
But no, it's not good for you to be on such drugs for a long time,
Okay.
because one way or the other, it also has its own negative impact on your system,
Okay.
So that is why if there can be any other alternative that can help out, why not? That is natural to your system, why not? And I need to tell people that no, it's not every problem or pain that is chemical based, or can be taken away by the use of chemical, by the use of drugs. Some they are mechanical, based, that need to be handled mechanically to get the right effect, the right touch on your system. So to have that pain-free joints, tension-free body, to develop healthy joints and void of arthritis as you age, to renew your strength for the next assignment, and to enhance your productivity at work, and to prevent some certain things from coming into the system, this kind of touch is highly needed, and to restore or refresh sleep pattern like that of what? A newborn baby, that you sleep well, sleep so soundly. I remember a woman that had been going through a sort of stress in her body for up to 3 months. After going through this therapy, oh my God, she was so happy that she slept like a baby. In fact, the following day, herself and the husband had to come to my office. When the husband came to my office, he said he actually came to know who worked on the wife, because the way the wife slept that day, the previous night was awesome. That she has been suffering from that insomnia for a while, So and that gladdens my heart when I see such a result, being obtained from this concept that God has given to us, touching life. Because I know what people are going through. I remember a day that a lady came to my office. In fact, she was having terrible back pain. She couldn't sit, she couldn't stand. She couldn't lie down. She would stand up for a while, sit up again. Stand up. It was serious pain. After the first touch, to the glory of God, she came and said, "Doctor, what did you do to me?" Because the difference was clear. He said, "You must have a magical hand." I said, "No, it's a miracle hand."
Miracle hand indeed, yeah.
So the result has been so awesome and so fantastic in the glory of God.